Thank you for watching. So this video will focus on how to use a clipping mask in Illustrator. So first of all, if you want to do a clipping mask, you want to cut the photo inside of Illustrator. The things you need maybe is one of the picture. So we just go to File, Place. Okay, place any picture you want. Let's say I want to cut this picture. Okay, place. Okay, once you play, let's say the picture is bigger than your artboard, then you can just Ctrl minus to zoom out your artboard and then hold down the shift key to resize it. Make it fit into your artboard here. Alright. After that, maybe you want to cut this shape in a rectangle. You don't want to see the text here. So which tool you're going to use to cut to make the clipping mask is the rectangle tool. So just click once in the rectangle tool. Okay, then create a rectangle based on the things you want to show later. After that, the color doesn't matter. Let's say I just change to red color, so easier for your reference. After that, use the selection tool, select both objects. One is the rectangle you created using the rectangle tool. The other one is your picture. After that, next step is right click, make clipping mask. Okay, so the lemon will show based on the rectangle we created just now. Or let's say today you have changed your mind. You want to show again the full picture. Okay, what you need to do is use your selection tool, click again, right click again, release the clipping mask. From here, you can see the full picture, the original picture, and then you can just click inside the rectangle that we created just now, hit the delete key on the keyboard. Okay. And then delete the rectangle. So this is how you make a clipping mask in Illustrator. Thank you for watching.